Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to activate a Steam card on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Steam app and log into your account. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Games. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your game library and purchases. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and select Activate a product on Steam. This option is specifically designed for redeeming product keys, gift cards, and codes that you've purchased elsewhere or received as gifts. Clicking this option is your gateway to adding new content to your Steam library without directly purchasing through the Steam store. Once you click on Activate a product on Steam, a new activation window will open on your screen. This window is where you'll enter your product key to claim your game or content. You'll see a field provided specifically for entering your code, so make sure you have your Steam card or product key ready at this point. Now, carefully enter the product key in the field provided. Make sure to type it exactly as it appears on your Steam card, including any dashes or special characters. Steam keys are case insensitive, but accuracy is important to ensure the system recognizes your code properly. Take your time with this step to avoid any typos that might cause the activation to fail. After you've entered your product key, click the Confirm button to proceed. This action sends your code to Steam servers for validation. The system will check whether the key is legitimate, hasn't been used before, and matches a valid product in Steam's catalog. This verification process usually takes just a few seconds, so you won't have to wait long. If the key is valid, Steam will immediately add the product to your library. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know that the activation was successful, and the game or content will now appear in your Steam library alongside all your other titles. From there, you can download and install it whenever you're ready to start playing. And that's it. You've successfully activated your Steam card and added new content to your library. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.